Welcome again to my tutorial video on what is Forex and how can you understand the Forex market. You are going to learn everything step by step in this tutorial. Just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. Just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. You are going to learn everything in this particular tutorial about what is Forex, how can you trade Forex, what are the currency pair you need to buy against another pair. All right, that is the reason why I'm trying to record this video for you guys as a beginner to understand what is Forex trading. Forex means foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of currencies. So if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, try to subscribe, like, comment, let me know which country are you watching from, because I'll be dropping a lot of videos on market analysis, when to buy, when to sell, how can you trade, how to use MT4, how to use MT5. A lot of videos is coming to this particular YouTube channel as a class. You are going to be learning everything step by step from basic level to advanced level in this particular YouTube channel. Just make sure to subscribe and like and comment below. Let me know which country are you watching from so I can understand the basic and advanced level of Forex trading. All right, you can see on the screen on this particular class, you can see Forex means foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of currencies. All right, that is simple of currencies of Forex. All right, you can see this is green candle, this is a red candle. All right, which means if you see a lot of green like this, that means the market is trying to go up. If you see a lot of, I will show you in the real example on this particular video. So let's just proceed with the presentation. So right, for example, euro, all right, is euro. Why USD is US dollar. Euro is euro. Why USD is what? Is US dollars. So when you buy euro USD, you are buying euro and selling dollar. Are you with me? You are buying euro and you are buying euro and selling selling dollars. So when you buy euro USD, you are buying euro and selling dollar. All right, that is the basic information of this particular example. Let me give a lot of example on the chart right now. So you can see what I'm trying to tell you right now. You can see this is a high. Let me give you a lot of scenario. This is a high. This is this one is a okay. This I want to try to give you example. This is lower price here. Here is what? Here is lower price. Why here is the higher price. So you can also sell here and take your profit here. You can also buy here and take your profit here. So you are buying low, all right, and selling high. Then you are selling high, all right. You are selling high here. You are trying to sell from this level, all right, and take your profit on this particular zone. That's a simple scenario, all right, of buying and selling. But I'm going to show you another proof, another information as we are just moving on this particular class. So this is the candle. When you see a lot of green candle like from this area to this area, that means the market is going up. So when you see a lot of red, all right, let me even change it to you for you guys to understand. So you can see, I've already changed the candle for you guys. So you can see from this level, a lot of red is coming. That means the market is going down. So from here again, you can see when you see something like this from here again, you can see the market is going up. So that's it. You are buying low and sell high. All right, then you are selling, you are selling high, to buy low. It's that simple and easy. So let me just go back to my presentation for you guys to understand the Forex trading market. So all right, you can see I've already explained what is Forex. It's buying and selling of currencies. Then another thing is that I've already show you guys that when you buy euro USD, you are buying euro and selling dollar. We have already covered this particular area. So let's move to another area. So if how market move, can you see how market move? If euro becomes stronger, the price goes up. If dollar becomes stronger, the price go down. I've already show you on that particular chart right now. You can see this is green, green, green. Can you see? If euro becomes stronger, the price goes up. If dollar becomes stronger, the price go down. So let me also show you right now again on the chart for you guys to understand what I mean. All right, you can see what I just showed you right now, that if euro become stronger, all right, here euro becomes stronger at this level. You can see why the dollar is falling. You can see euro spike from this zone to this particular area. You can see that means euro is stronger than dollar. But you can see on this area here, dollar is stronger than euro. All right, dollar is what is stronger than euro. That's why you are seeing the market is falling down. It's falling down. And here you can see euro is stronger. That's why you can see it's going up. So that is the very simple way. You buy low and sell high. You also sell high, to buy low. It's that simple and easy. All right, let me go back to the presentation again right now. All right, you can see, I think you have already understand this particular area. So let's move. Can you see how you can make money? How can you make money? I've already shown you buying at lower price and selling higher, or selling at higher price and buying lower. I've already covered this particular area for you, but let me repeat it because this is a class so that you can understand what is Forex. How can you make money from the Forex market? You can see I've already covered this area for you before, but let me just repeat it because you are trying to learn as a beginner. All right, so you can see if the market come to this level here, all right, the market come to this level, you can start buying from this after you know how to analyze it. But this is just a basic knowledge. You are going to learn how to buy, how to sell later, but I'm just showing you the basic knowledge of what is Forex. You can see you are buying here and taking your profit here, then you are selling here, all right, and take your profit here. Let's say you have already marked the key level. You saw the market respects this level multiple times, all right, you can see, and you draw your zone. All right, let's say you have already confirmed that the market is going to respect this level. You can see the market come here, the market spike up here from this level. Right, let me just from this particular, the market is reacting very well here on this level again. It come back here again and respect this level again here, all right, and it spike up. The market touch from here, retest, and do what? The market now come back to that area again later. Come back to this area again later. You can see, all right. Can you see 1, 2, 3? You can see. Then you wait for the market to come to this level again. Then you make your what? You make your buy from this particular level. So it's that simple. That's how you are going to make. You are going to start making money from the Forex market. Let's say after you have already confirmed the zone that the market has already touched this area before, then you wait again for the market to come to this level again. Then you take your something, as an example, you come to this area and put your something, and you can see, then you take your profit at the top. It's that simple. And here again, let me also show you another way of making money. You can also, let's say you want to, hold on please. All right, another example is that let's say you want to also, all right, you want to also sell. All right, you want to also sell. Let's say you can see here the market spike up here, all right, and drop drastically, all right, and drop drastically here, drop drastically. Then you now the market, but the market have not come back to retest this level again. All right, it just come back after the market sell drastically here from this zone. The market now come and touch this level again. All right, so can you see the market has come and touch this level again, and you can also make some little profit downward around this zone. All right, after you just do what, so you can also make some money small by scalping, or can you see the market touch here and fall to the downward. The market now come and retest the place again, then you make your profits again before the market starts moving up again. You can see the market starts moving up again. So that's how you can make money. You make money from the buying, you also make money from the selling. It's that simple and easy of how you can also make money from the market. So let's go back to the next presentation. All right, can you see I've already shown you guys how you can make money buying low or selling at higher price and buying lower. It's that simple and easy. Buying at lower price and selling higher is that simple and easy. So let's go back to another. Can you see important? Forex is not gambling. Forex is not gambling. It requires knowledge, patience, and discipline. You have to know how you can manage your risks, your emotion. Then you must be disciplined. You must be patient for the market to come to you. It can take up to even 1 week at times, or even 3 days before the market can come to that zone you expect before you can start buying. That is patience and require a lot of skill. You'll be learning everything on this particular YouTube channel, how you can identify the trend, how you can buy, how you can sell, what candle you need to see before you can buy. So thank you guys for watching the video, and you need to have a broker. I'll put my recommended broker down below this video. Then you register and fund your account and start trading. But later on, you are going to be learning how you can register with the broker I'm using, how you can fund it, how you can do everything in my next coming video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.